Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an extensive deep dive demonstration of Salesforce CRM, tailored specifically for absolute beginners who want to master the world's leading customer relationship management platform from the ground up. Whether you're a business owner looking to organize your customer data, a new sales representative trying to navigate your company's pipeline, or an aspiring administrator taking your very first steps into the ecosystem, this comprehensive walkthrough will demystify the platform and give you the confidence to navigate it like a seasoned professional. When you first log in to Salesforce, you're greeted by the main home dashboard, which serves as your ultimate command center for the workday. Think of this screen as your personalized business flight deck. At the very top, you'll see a clean horizontal navigation bar containing essential tabs like Home, Leads, Accounts, Contacts, Opportunities, and Dashboards. This layout is designed to mirror the natural life cycle of a customer relationship, moving systematically from left to right. On the main body of the home screen, Salesforce aggregates your most critical data into visual components. You'll instantly notice a quarterly performance chart, which acts as a real-time scoreboard, showing your current closed sales figures plotted against your regional sales targets. Right next to it, the Assistant component automatically flags urgent tasks such as long overdue follow-ups or accounts with no recent activity, ensuring that nothing ever slips through the cracks. Below that, your daily agenda and task list keep you completely synchronized with your upcoming calendar events. Let us begin our hands-on exploration with the very first stage of the sales funnel by clicking on the Leads tab. In Salesforce terminology, a lead represents an unqualified prospect, essentially a person or business that has shown some initial interest in your product, but has not yet been vetted as a legitimate sales opportunity. This could be someone who filled out a contact form on your website, downloaded a white paper, or handed you a business card at a recent trade show. When you open a lead record, you'll notice a highly structured three-column layout. The left column houses the compact view and detailed information fields, capturing essential data points like phone numbers, corporate email addresses, company size, and lead source. The center column features the lead status path, a visual chevron progress bar that acts as a roadmap for your sales cycle, guiding you through stages like open, contacted, working, and nurtured. The right-hand column contains the activity timeline, an invaluable ledger that automatically logs every single email sent, call placed, or meeting scheduled with this specific individual. This ensures that anyone on your team can open this record and instantly understand the entire historical context of the relationship without having to ask for an update. Once you've conversed with a lead and determined that they have a genuine business need, an appropriate budget, and authority to purchase, it's time to convert that lead. Clicking the prominent Convert button in the upper right corner triggers a fundamental architectural transformation within Salesforce's database. With a single click, Salesforce takes that solitary lead record and neatly splits it into three distinct, interconnected relational records: an account, a contact, and an opportunity. Let us break down exactly what each of these means. An account represents the business entity or organization itself, for example, a corporation like Nike or a local school district. If you click into an account record, you're looking at the foundational macro-level profile of that business, tracking its physical headquarters address, industry vertical, annual revenue, and parent company relationships. Nestled safely inside that account are your contacts. A contact represents an individual human being who works at that specific company, such as John Doe, the Chief Technology Officer, or Jane Smith, the Director of Procurement. By separating accounts from contacts, Salesforce allows you to track dozens of different stakeholders working within the exact same enterprise, keeping their individual direct phone lines, personal notes, and communication preferences separate, while still rolling their activities up to the main corporate account profile. The third piece of this conversion puzzle is the opportunity, which is arguably the most exciting part of Salesforce because this is where your actual revenue tracking lives. An opportunity represents a specific pending sales deal or business transaction that you're actively pursuing with that account. When you open an opportunity record, you'll see a specialized sales path tailored to your company's unique deal progression, moving through standard stages like qualification, needs analysis, value proposition, proposal price quote, negotiation, and ultimately closed won or closed lost. As a sales rep, your primary objective is to accurately advance the deal through these stages. Each stage is mathematically linked to a specific probability percentage. For instance, a deal in the qualification stage might have a 10% chance of closing, while a deal in the final negotiation phase might jump to an 80% probability. Salesforce automatically multiplies the total projected deal value by this probability percentage to generate an incredibly accurate sales forecast for your executive leadership team, allowing them to predict future corporate revenue with remarkable mathematical precision. To keep these opportunities moving forward, you must master the activity feed located on the right side of the screen. Salesforce integrates directly with enterprise email clients like Microsoft Outlook and Gmail. This means you can compose and send emails directly within the Salesforce interface, utilize pre-approved corporate templates to save time, and automatically log the customer's responses back to the timeline without ever leaving your browser. You can also log phone call summaries, create calendar events, or assign future tasks to yourself or your colleagues, such as setting a reminder to send a revised contract next Tuesday. Now, as your business grows and your team logs hundreds of leads, accounts, and opportunities, managing all of that data individually becomes impossible. This is where the true power of Salesforce Analytics comes into play, via reports and dashboards. Clicking on the Reports tab allows you to build powerful custom spreadsheets to answer specific business questions. For example, you can create a report that filters for all opportunities worth over $50,000 that are currently stuck in the negotiation stage for more than 30 days. Salesforce features a drag-and-drop report builder that makes it incredibly easy to group data by sales rep, sort by close date, and calculate automatic summaries and averages. Once you've built your core reports, you can jump over to the Dashboards tab to translate those dense data spreadsheets into stunning, easy-to-digest visual presentations. A dashboard is essentially a collection of various charts, graphs, gauges, and metrics powered by the underlying reports you just built. You can construct a leadership dashboard that features a giant pie chart showing your market share by industry, a vertical bar graph comparing individual sales rep performance for the current month, and a giant numeric component displaying total revenue generated year to date. These dashboards refresh automatically, giving your management team an instant, real-time snapshot of the health of the business at any given second, eliminating the need to compile manual spreadsheets at the end of every week. Beyond standard data entry and tracking, Salesforce is highly celebrated for its extreme customization capabilities. Every business operates differently, and the platform can be heavily modified to match your exact operational workflows using the Setup menu, represented by the gear icon in the top right corner. From the Object Manager inside the Setup menu, system administrators can easily create custom fields to track unique data points, such as a specific license expiration date or a specialized product serial number, and drag those fields directly onto the user interface using an intuitive page layout editor. So, mastering Salesforce CRM comes down to understanding this fundamental continuous flow of data. You capture and nurture raw prospects within the Leads tab, convert those qualified prospects into permanent corporate accounts and individual human contacts, actively manage your revenue pipelines using the Opportunity Sales Path, and seamlessly analyze your overarching team performance through automated reports and dashboards. By consistently logging your activities and maintaining clean data habits across these core areas, you'll fully unlock the immense power of the platform to streamline your operations, build deeper relationships with your clients, and dramatically accelerate your business growth. Subscribe the channel for more videos.